So what is going on, everyone? I'm in the boss with you here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to cut or trim your videos without rendering and losing any video quality in them. And let us begin. So firstly, I'm going to be taking you to this website here. I'm going to be putting all the links in the description, so you're going to have to just scroll down and download this software here. So it's going to take you to a Google Drive page, and you just go ahead and download, which I've already downloaded. So it's going to be an ISO. Since it's already big, I want to save some time, but it's an ISO file, and I'm going to be showing you where exactly I've put mine. So I've put mine on the desktop. Yours might be in the download folder, which is all the same, but in my case it's a desktop. I'm going to go ahead and open an ISO, since Windows already has a default ISO opener. Okay, so this is what we have here. So what you're going to do is you're gonna have to come on the sides here and then create a folder. Maybe it's gonna be called Los Lace Cut. Okay, let's name it that. You can name it anything that you want, but I prefer naming it exactly what it is being called. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight all these, and then you're gonna have to transfer them to this folder. So yeah, we're gonna copy them to that folder. Has it even copied? Yeah. Okay, after you've copied that, so I usually want to do this practice where I want to get this folder in the Windows. Okay, so I usually want to take it to the Windows drive and then put it in the program files by default. So I already have mine here. Okay, let's go. All right, there you go. So I already have mine here, but I'm not going to be using that one. Let's go ahead and use exactly what we have just downloaded. So I'm going to be opening this folder, and then I'm going to be running the lossless cut executable file here. Okay, so the first time it launches, it's gonna have to look like that. So I have a video here that I'm gonna be testing with, that I've put here on the desktop. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're going to just have to drag and drop this video, any video that you want to go ahead and work with. So this is how it's going to look. You're gonna have, maybe you can change the theme to white, but I usually love to play with this. So what you're gonna do, if you want to cut, maybe you want to cut a video from here, you're gonna have to come to this hand. Is it a right hand? Okay, and then if you want to close it up, you're gonna have to go here. Maybe I want to bring it exactly before this begins. Okay, I'm gonna have to just cut to this part using this other hand, that hand with a finger raised up. Okay, I'm gonna have to also go here if I want to cut more than once, and then maybe move this here and cut that. Okay, so you're gonna realize that it's giving me segments here of how many pieces it is going to be cutting. So next you are going to just come to the export plus merge. Okay, so what it does, it cuts up, but what it separates all these files and then merges them eventually together without losing any video quality. So what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and export. So usually you are going to just come here. So if you have a different selection here, what you're going to do is you're going to have to keep it to, so you don't want to separate files, you don't want to merge and separate, you don't want, what you want to do is to merge all the cuts and put them together. Okay, so if you're also selecting this, just go ahead and select MP4 and then keeping 2 tracks, which is okay, but then saving the output, you're gonna have to go for your, maybe your desktop or your preferred folder. Let me go ahead and, it's okay, let me just leave it on the desktop and maybe select folder, which is okay. Leave the rest the way they are and go down here and press the export plus merge. So you're gonna see what exactly is happening here. This is a very small video. You won't notice exactly what happened, but it actually I'm gonna give you a longer video where it has to actually merge more than, but you will see the magic. But this is what it looks like. Okay, so it's gonna ask you show. Okay, so you're gonna have to come here. So you can see the difference here. If I come and show you the details of this video, it's 58 MBs, the one that I've cut through, but the one that I've not yet trimmed is actually just 75 MBs. But now look at the time frame that we have. I'll start my introduction. I'm gonna pause here. So this is 1 minute and 20 seconds, and when I come to this, it is just exactly 1 minute. So it has actually just cut out 20 seconds, but that is how. Okay, I promised to show you a very long video, which I do not have at the moment. So that is how you cut and trim videos without rendering or losing any video quality. And if you want this software, you're gonna have to go ahead and download it on the website that I've provided. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. I appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.